Hi there, welcome to the GridMate learning channel. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to configure the GM File Explorer to display related files for a specific record. To get started, go to an account and edit the Lightning page in the App Builder. Create a new tab called Files. Go to the Component Explorer and search for GM File Explorer. Drag and drop the component into the new tab. The GM File Explorer has 4 different views: Table, Tree, Gallery, and Carousel. For this example, let's set the default view to Table and check Enable Delete to display the Delete button. Check Enable Copy, Paste to display the Copy and Paste buttons. Check Show Border. Once you've saved your work, click Back. You can easily manage your files using the File Explorer. Switch between views by clicking on the buttons. And use the toolbar to make mass actions like deleting or downloading a selection of files. We can also clone them by copying and pasting from one record to another. Or move them to another record using the cut and paste. As you can see, the files are moved. You can also delete or download a single file using the drop-down arrow. There is no limit to the number of files we can upload. In the carousel view, you'll get a complete preview of the file. In addition to deleting files, we can also add tags to them. That's it. With the GM File Explorer, you can easily manage your files and streamline your workflow. Thank you for watching.